Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Whatever time y'all tuning in, I certainly appreciate y'all are here. It's Christmas morning here. My grandkids, I see the lights on in their house. They're up. They're probably tearing open them presents right now as we speak. They'll be coming over here in about an hour or so. They'll be opening their presents here. I can't wait for that. But I just want to wish everybody a Merry Christmas. I really do, guys. And the video that y'all about to watch, I filmed a few days ago. These knives I received from Craig from Livonia, Georgia. He's about 195 miles from here. But I just want to say, guys, I've reached 5,000 subscribers. So be on the lookout for that video coming out tomorrow about me telling you what I'm going to be giving away during the live event. So be on the lookout for that. Just want to thank everybody for all the support, all the views, all the subscribers. Thank y'all again. And I just want to wish y'all again a Merry Christmas. I hope today is the best day of your life. And I hope you have another one tomorrow. Again, guys, thank y'all for tuning in, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Okay, we got a big package here. It comes all the way from Mr. Craig Jackson from Livonia, Georgia. We're fixing to open it up and see what kind of knives he sent. Wow, leather. Thank you, buddy. That is so nice of you. Craig, I don't see no note, man, but I appreciate it so much. Let's get to this one here. This looks very interesting. I love this sheath already. Whoa, got a bunch of knives in here. Check that out, a Zippo. It's like a case peanut. Look at there. Craig, buddy. I don't see no dots, but I think it's... Yeah, there's some dots right there. I think I counted 6 dots. I think it's a 1974 case. Thanks, Craig. That's awesome, buddy. This Zippo. Can't tell. Check that out. Oh, wow. Nice. Thank you, buddy. I'm going to clean this up too, bud. Can't tell what year this one is. Awesome, Craig. Thank you, buddy. Gerber? Is it a Gerber? Zippo! Look at that. Zippo, man. I love that. That is so nice of you. I love Zippo knives, man. Bradford, Pennsylvania. I tell you what, if y'all ever own one, they're like it's razor sharp. They're razor sharp knives, and good little knives too. I love a Zippo knife. Wow, thanks, Craig. Look at Schrade LB7 here. It could be a folding hunter, I don't know. Old timer Schrade. I love that sheath. That's an old sheath too, man. Beautiful. Craig, dude, look at that. Oh my gosh. Look at that broken tip. Man. Oh, it's a Craftsman. How about that? That fooled me. Sure did. How about that? Oh, I don't own one of these. I do not own a Craftsman folding hunter. I do not own one of these. Awesome, Craig. I love this, man. I didn't even know they made them. But yeah, we're going to fix this tip up real nice here. Awesome, man. Awesome. I love that sheath too. I wonder if that's the original sheath that come with that. Because I think old timer could have made... I don't know. We'll have to do some research on this. But I love this sheath too, man. That's a beautiful sheath right there. Man, I like that. Uh-oh. Something else in here. Wow, what is that? Oh, a measuring tape. First National Bank, Lawrenceville, Georgia. Yeah. How about that? Made in the USA. That is awesome, buddy. I love that, Craig. We're going to put this in my tool bin up here. That is so nice, man. Thank you. Wow. Doggone big old knife, man. Check that out. It's a big old knife. Whoa, Damascus Steel? Oh my God, dude. Dude. Check that knife out, y'all. Ain't that beautiful work right there? Oh, man, look at that. Simplify. Hoorah, man. Thank you so much, dude. This is a bad to the bone knife. Handmade knives. CFK Cutlery Company. I've never heard of them, but I will do some research on it. Man, that is a beautiful knife, dude. I'm going to clean this up. Craig. Dude, this is awesome. Check that out, man. This is a nice knife here, man. God almighty. Ain't nothing wrong with this knife, dude. I don't own a Damascus blade knife. I do not. Wow. I'm about to do some research on this knife, man. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. The sheath is really good. I guess you sent that for the crayon joke for the Marines. That is funny, man. Funny. Craig, I can't thank you enough, man. This is unreal. This sheath looks really well made, too. Man, that's nice. See what this one is. Another big knife. Dude. Craig, man. Craig. Dude, this is freaking awesome, man. Wow, man. I know that can't be the year, can it? Can that be the year? Dude. You know what I'm going to do to this? Somehow I'm going to figure out how to put a piece of wood on there without removing these pins. I don't... Man. Wow. Dude, I'm speechless. Speechless. Ain't that beautiful? That bayonet. Craig, dude, this is so freaking awesome. I just found the note, y'all. CFK Damascus Sub-Hilt Fighter. This one is a USMC Punisher. Simplify Devil Dog. Jarhead Edition with MRE. Red crayon with green icing. You so funny, dude. That is funny as hell. Thank you so much, dude. Thank you for your service. Craig, dude, this makes my whole day, man. Thank you so much for all these knives, dude. Yeah, that's a little snack for me for Christmas. I'm gonna save that for Christmas Day. Dude, this is a freaking awesome knives, man. You so awesome. This is great. A Zippo, a lighter Zippo knife, a case knife, peanut, a little measuring tape made in the USA, a bayonet. I'm gonna have to do some research on this too, man. I'm just speechless, y'all. Y'all are just awesome. I have the best subscribers. And I love this knife right here. Check that out, y'all. The Punisher Edition. Semper Fi. Damascus Steel. Is that not a beautiful freaking knife? I'm going to clean it up, man. It's going to go in my personal collection. This will be passed on to my son, who was also a Marine. He got out as a captain. I got out as a sergeant. Thank you so much, buddy. I don't know what to say, man. Thank you, Craig. That was such a nice gift. Man, Craig, thank you, buddy. Thank you so much. Also, for the leather, I use this a lot, man. I'm speechless, y'all. I by far, I have the best subscribers. I'm pushing 4,900 right now. So I should be able to put out that video shortly after Christmas about the giveaway. I've got so much stuff to give away too. I'm going to be going into that when I do the video to announce my 5,000 subscribers. It's coming, guys. Thank y'all so much. Again, I'm speechless. I'm humbled from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much, Craig. I really do, buddy. Thank you so much. And I just want to say thank y'all again. God bless y'all. And until we meet again, y'all be like a damn good knife. Stay sharp. Stay sharp. And yes, Craig, that crayon was delicious.